Piron, who used to live in California. You don't actually think it's a 5.0, right?
I didn't think it was that strong, actually. This is my fourth earthquake I've been through, and that didn't seem any stronger than the ones I had a few years ago. So,
And what were you doing at the time, and why didn't you think it was that strong?
I was just laying down for a second, trying to catch my afternoon nap, and it didn't seem like that much, honestly. I felt like I've had stronger ones before. So.
Thanks a lot, Andy. Again, this was Joe and Andy, who both experienced the earthquake earlier today, and even those in downtown Syracuse and the high